how to add Pinterest feed to Wix website. So right here, for this, we are going to use Elfsight. So it's going to be elfsight.com. And right here, we just want to click on sign up free. And you can log in with your Google account. So I'll just use this one as an example. And it's going to look like this. So we want to click on add new app here and search for Pinterest. And you should be able to see Pinterest feed. So just click on it right here. And then you have to choose the template that we are going to work with. I'm going to use the second one for the sake of this tutorial, and I'm going to click on continue. So right here, you can choose the different types of boards. I'm going to do this one as an example, the board URL, and we're going to click on done. So after you have chosen your board, then you will click on publish here. And it will ask us for the subscription type. We will choose free. And this will generate code for us. We want to copy this code. We are going to go back to our Wix website editor. And we are going to use the search tool to search for HTML. So after we find embeds, click on embeds. And then we will click on embed HTML. And it's going to add this line right here. So here's where we actually type out our code. And after we click on update, then this will successfully add Pinterest feed to our Wix website. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.